Hi there, the Anderson family. What's your names?
My name is Nano.
My name is Nina.
My name is Nadia.
My name is Nato. We are nice to meet you.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
It's nice to meet you too. And as for meeting me, all of you are now in the nice list.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Nadia. Hey, my parents. There is Santa Cat. Can I go to meet him?
Sure.
But don't do anything wrong. Yay. I'm so excited. Oh, hi there. What's your name? My name is Evil Nano. It's nice to meet you, Santa Cat. It's nice to meet you too, Evil Nano. Santa Cat, there is a wasp on your nose. Huh? What wasp? Ouch. That hurts. That's it. I will not put you in the nice list. You will be put in the naughty list for good. But Santa Cat, I punched the wasp, not you. Ha 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 ha. I just put you in the naughty list. Are you happy now? You are so stupid and dumb. Take the red meanie.
Wow, my evil clone. Just wow. You just punched Santa Cat in the face and beaten him up.
Now Santa Cat has taken to the hospital because of you. Now you are in the naughty list.
You are grounded until the start of 2025, which marks the end of 2024.
Now go to your room, you idiot. Okay, I'm sorry.